Hello, I'm Gary from Atlas Hoist. Today I want to show you something new at Acme Tools. The Atlas Hoist is the hoist that you don't know that you already know. What I mean by that is Atlas has been making hoists for decades. We've simply been making them for other people as an OEM manufacturer. We have some features that we want to point out to you on the Atlas hoist that make us the best hoist on the market. We have both a chain hoist in a lever model and a chain hoist in a chain fall or a chain block. Let me show you some of the features that make us the best hoist on the market. Let me show you, first of all, our main plate, which is case hardened and zinc flake coated. This is a different process that is more resistant to corrosion than simply dipping or spraying the plate. Another feature about this are the welded bolts. The welded bolts keep the bolts in place so that they are much stronger and more stable when doing service and when operating the hoist. One of my favorite features is the dual opposing pawls. This is a redundant safety feature that has two pawls holding our main gear. Another thing you'll notice is our caged roller bearings. The caged roller bearings keeps the bearings together, so when service is done on the hoist, you're not losing your bearings all over the counter or the floor. So this plate is special, and it's one of our favorite features. Let me show you another great feature. This is our drop forged pinion shaft. It's infused with titanium, and it's made out of one piece, drop forged. With the other manufacturers, or some other manufacturers, the main gear is pressed on to the shaft. Ours is drop forged out of one solid piece. This makes the hoist much safer, much stronger, especially when you're cranking on that handle. This is a much better system and one of our most favorite features. Another feature that we offer is a sintered brake system on the main gear. The sintered brake system is better than a loose brake pad that can be dislodged, that can break, that can absorb moisture, oil, water. This sintered brake system is a superior system and will outlast the hoist itself. Another feature that we offer is a cast safety latch on our hooks. All of our hoists have a cast latch as opposed to a stamped steel latch. What's important about that? Well, all hoists are manufactured with a hook that is meant to stretch before it breaks. This is a safety feature in case the hoist is overloaded. By having a cast safety latch, you're preventing that latch from being manipulated as opposed to a stamped steel latch that can be twisted and stretched to make it look like the hook has not been stretched, therefore dangerous to the operator. All of our hoists have a cast safety latch. Another feature we offer is our chain stop. All hoists, again, are made with a chain stop, which prevents the chain from running out of the hoist. We put an oversized chain stop, and it's also a convenient handle for carrying the excess chain around on a job site. That's a nice feature also. In addition to a lever hoist, which is our most popular, we also have a chain fall or a chain block. Keep in mind when you're using a chain fall hoist or a chain block hoist, this is for lifting vertically only. Whereas a lever hoist can be used for lifting, for pulling, for angles. So we offer a lever hoist, a chain fall hoist. We have a full line of electric hoists. ALR, Atlas hoists, are available at acmetools.com and at all Acme Tools stores. Do your best work with Acme Tools.